Yo, welcome to the video. And if you read the title, today we do have one of these in today from Amazon. I believe this is a 2-pack. And it's going on a 9th gen iPad. I got this outer box for my son. I think it was maybe $40 at Target. You guys might want to check it out. But let's take it off and get started.
Hey man, there's something about this mother, man. I think my DJ gonna like this motherfucker right here, man. Mills. Hey, I tell that bitch I'm a king, and I like my blunts pre-rolled, and I like grape juice on my styrofoam. I want a double cup so it's still. I want the titties out before I hit. I want 1,000 views for this shit. Pour a couple bottles up to this shit. Turn up my niggas in this bitch, and that's true shit. Swear to the team, that's my mom's brother king. My head tied up while I'm rolling this green shit. I need to get tatted, that's another stress relief. Tell her pull up and started with a drink. The street taught me, but the music say me. They alive to get
Yep, so 9th gen. I recommend this for the first tablet for a young one. Right now they're doing 50% off of these, and for $459 retail. You can't beat it. Any more? We got two. Clean white. One cleaning pad. And one dust absorber. Okay. Throw this back in. We're gonna use this to put that on top, right? So first thing we need to do is get it clean, because it's dirty.
I was jumping around in my diapers, nigga. Must not remember I've been the nicest nigga. I'm back, boy, but I never left. Know the niggas breathe, step on their neck. Been taking over, gotta get it. King Mills is the trillers that I never did it. But then this shit ridiculous how to be hitting. And they ain't playing with it. Facing niggas, we ball, can't handle it. If I say it, then I want it, then I gotta have it. If I said it, then I did it, though it's about to happen. Moving sides like I'm sticking in the kitchen, gotta watch this shit. I got ashes in the dishes. DC missing this like a motherfucking chemist. And my bitch always with me, get she patches just see it. If the nigga talking crazy, just believe he gon' meet a shot. That's a King Lulu, that's my motherfucking nigga. I'm in another zone and I know they mad at it. That's okay, nigga, that's my motherfucking family. If these niggas talking crazy, we gon' let their ass have it. Then I chase that money, I get that cash, stack it up, make haters mad, I roll it up, hit it.
So the goal is to get all the grease from your hands, sticky stuff or whatever from on top of it. Make sure it's pretty clean. Better make sure you don't have no bubbles in the air. Then once that dries off, no, matter of fact, after this, then this. So make sure it's dry. Alright, check it out. Make sure there ain't nothing on there that you're not seeing. Look at it at a couple different angles. I see I got a little something up here. Something right here. Okay. After that, grab your dust absorber. What I do is I fold it like this, like that. And I go across the whole thing like this. Alright, you just set that right there. Grab a screen protector. Go sit down. Put it down like that. Onto this line, right? See how you just got that air in there? That's what you do. You grab it, finger in, then you help it go down. Right. Help it go down. Right. Finish up. Make sure the air go to the corners. Now, if you see, I actually got it pretty on point there. See a little raise right here. You just take the tie off and you rub it to the nearest corner outward. If you see that, that's all you do. If you look, tempered glass screen protector for the 9th gen iPad. Goes on pretty good. You barely see that it's on. It's gonna do the job. Get you one of these, it's mandatory. And that's how you install it.